Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So in this video, first of all we will discuss about what do we mean by arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are nothing but the operators which are used to perform arithmetic operations. Then it is called arithmetic operator. So Oracle SQL provides four important arithmetic operators that are addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. These are the four important arithmetic operators that are provided by Oracle SQL. Let us take an example of arithmetic operators. So, how to calculate the annual salary of an employee from employee table. So, for that, we can write the select query like this, like select ename salary, salary into 12 from EMP. So, here we can take salary into 12. Why? Because annual salary means a salary that can be taken by an employee in a year. So year means in a year 12 months are present. So that here we can take salary into 12. So the in the output session there are three columns are created. That is ename, salary, salary into 12. So here ename and salary are the old attribute and salary to 12 are the new temporary column that are created. So in another way, we can also write like this, like select ename salary, salary into 12 as annual salary from EMP. Here annual salary is a column alias. So what do you mean by column alias? In the previous session, we will clearly mention that what do you mean by column alias. So column alias means a temporary table that are created by using age keyword. So here select ename salary, salary into 12 as annual salary. That is a column alias. Taken as a temporary name like annual salary from EMP. Then output look like this, like three columns are created. That is ename, salary, and annual salary. Here ename and salary are the temporary table, temporary column, and annual salary permanent column, and annual salary are the temporary uncompleted column. Then we can also write like this ename salary, salary into 12 as annual salary from EMP. But this showing error because in Oracle SQL does not support space. So here annual and salary, there is a small space present between annual and salary. So in two keywords there is a space is present. Oracle SQL does not support space, but Oracle SQL also support like underscore. Underscore is applicable in Oracle SQL, but space between two or more words that cannot be applicable in Oracle SQL. So how it performs practically that will be showing in Oracle SQL. So let's go to the Oracle SQL. SQL plus run SQL command line, then connect, then enter your username. For my device, my username is system, then password. For my device, password is 1234. Successfully connected. Then set pages 200 line, set lines 200 line. You can set any number of set pages and lines, but I am comfortable with 200 pages and 200 line, so that every time I'll put 200 pages 200 line size 200, page size 200. Then check which table is present in my database, and also check EMP table is available or not. Select star from EMP. So Successfully data showing in the database. So successfully showing that select star for EMP table is available in our database. So now execute our query to find the annual salary. So select ename salary into 12 from EMP. So successfully a temporary salary into 12 column created. That is nothing but salary into 12 is annual salary. So now we can using column alias. So select ename salary into 12 as annual salary from EMP table. So successfully a temporary annual salary column is created. Here the calculated annual salary of every employee. Then we can check the space between two words that can be applicable or not in Oracle SQL. So let's fire up this query like select rename salary into 12 as annual space salary from EMP. This showing that error. The error is from keyword not found where expected. So this type of space that are not applicable in Oracle SQL. So let's take another example of arithmetic operator. So let us take an table like student table. So this is a student table. In student table, there is some data present like student ID, student name, like student ID, student name, and student marks. So SID, S name, M1, M2, M3. So two student, three subject marks. So here question is how to calculate the average marks of the student. So how to calculate average mark? Average mark calculate formula is first calculate total mark and average mark. Total mark is M1 plus M2 plus M3 equal to total marks. And how to calculate average marks? Like M1 plus M2 plus M3 whole divided by 3 equal to average marks. So now create a table and insert some data and perform this operation. Go to SQL Plus. So create table, table name like student 2, then SID like number, like 10 digit number, not needed. Then S name like market 2, market 2 limit is 20 digit. Then we can take mark M1 number 5,2, then M2 number 5,2, then number 5 comma 2 m3. Here 5 comma 2 is precision and scale. So successfully table created. Now we can show the structure of the table by using desc command. Desc table name like student, stud student 2. So this is the table structure. Now inserting the data. Insert into table name student 2, student 2, values like SID 100 00. Then we can take name A. Then M1 marks like 50, M2 55, M3 56, 50 55 60, like 60. One row inserted. Another row insert into values, value 100 02, name B like 60, like 65, like 70. Then showing the data is available or not. Select star from student 2. So successfully two student data are inserted into student 2 table. So now perform this operation to calculate average mark and total mark. So how to find this result? So write like this, like select SID S name, select SID S name, comma M1 plus M2 plus M3 as total salary, total underscore salary, and M1 plus M2 plus M3 whole divided by 3 as average salary. Here not salary, like average marks. Here total marks and average marks from student table, student 2 table. Here we can take total mark as a column alias and average mark as a column alias. So successfully two data is new temporary data is created, that is total marks and average mark. If we want to permanently save, then commit command, but I don't to save permanently, so I can skip. Then we can take another example, that is how to calculate TA, HRA, tax and gross salary of a employee from employee table. So the formula to calculate TA, that is 10% on salary, HRA 20% on salary, 2% on salary, that is tax, and gross is basic salary plus total TA plus HRA minus tax. So 20% on HRA means 10% on salary, that is TA, means 10 by 100 into salary is equal to TA, or we can also call 0.1 into salary equal to TA. This is the formula to calculate TA. Like this we can also calculate HRA, We can also calculate tax or gross salary. But how to practically shown, that can be shown in the SQL plus. So let's go to SQL plus. First of all, we show the data that are available in EMP table. Select star EMP. Now we can calculate TA, HRA, tax and gross salary. So like that, write like this. Select ename, comma salary, comma 0.1 into salary HTA, comma 0.2 into salary HRA, comma 0.02 into salary H tax, then calculate the gross. So like basic salary, like salary plus TA 0.1 into salary plus HRA. HRA means 0.2 into salary minus tax like 0.02 into salary H gross from EMP. So successfully, four important temporary columns are created in the employee table, that is TA, HRA, tax and gross salary. So successfully our theory and our practically matched. So in this video we will completed the arithmetic operator, how many types of arithmetic operator, and we can take 3 or 4 important examples to how to perform arithmetic operator. So that is enough for today. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.